In a world where kitchens deserve to stay clean and odor-free, Almaway steps in as the modern solution to an age-old problem: food waste. Instead of letting scraps pile up and rot in a bin, Almaway offers a smarter way forward. With just one button, your leftovers are transformed into nutrient-rich compost without the foul smell, sticky leaks, or daily trips to the outdoor trash. Moonwalkers redefine personal mobility, combining advanced engineering and AI technology for an unparalleled experience. These aren't just shoes, they are your new mode of transportation, offering a seamless, natural ride over any terrain. Moonwalkers feature an innovative 8-wheel system designed to glide effortlessly over bumps, cracks, and uneven ground, providing both speed and stability. Powered by 400 watts and 10 newton meters of torque, these electric shoes conquer hills and obstacles with ease. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. Stretching from 2.39 to 3.87 feet tall, this 17-in-1 standing desk transforms any workspace into a powerhouse of productivity. At its core is a powerful 17-in-1 docking station, integrating USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, SD card slots, and more. Simultaneously connect and output to 3 external monitors, expanding your visual workspace without clutter or lag. The desk also features a built-in SSD enclosure that supports up to 8 terabytes of high-speed storage. There's a bold satisfaction in precision. From its solid metal frame to its finely engineered keystrokes, this keyboard blends the nostalgia of vintage typewriters with modern performance. Crafted with all-metal construction, including a cast metal return bar, fully programmable and defaulting to the Enter key, it delivers tactile feedback that feels intentional and grounded. The scroll knobs serve dual duty, controlling both page navigation and volume, offering a unique interface that's as practical as it is stylish. The NeoRest LS Smart Bidet Toilet combines advanced technology with sophisticated design to elevate your bathroom experience. Featuring a sleek one-piece skirted design with metallic trim options in silver, nickel, or black, this bidet toilet is as stylish as it is functional. With ultra-high efficiency dual flush options of 1.0 gallons per flush and 0.8 gallons per flush, it ensures water conservation without sacrificing performance. The Toro 2-stage 26-inch 60-volt max flex force power max snowblower is designed to make clearing heavy snow easier and more efficient. This powerful electric model clears up to 30 car spaces, tackling up to 10 inches of snow with the help of 2 7.5 amp-hour batteries. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures durability and longevity in demanding snow removal tasks. The robust frame, housing, deflector, and chute make this blower a reliable choice for years of use. Hospitals and care institutions require precision tools that don't interrupt patient rest. That's where VitalThings Somnify steps in, a fully contactless monitoring system designed to safeguard patients and optimize health tracking while they sleep. From tracking light, deep, and REM sleep, to monitoring air pressure, humidity, and respiratory rate, the system continuously compiles a holistic sleep profile. Precision isn't just a promise, it's engineered into every scan with the 3D Maker Pro Seal. Built to reveal the finest dimensions, this compact powerhouse captures details with 0.01mm accuracy and resolution up to 0.05mm. Thanks to advanced blue light encoded structured light technology, even the most subtle textures, faint dents, grainy surfaces, or intricate edges, are rendered into crisp, high-resolution 3D models. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the amzn Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the amzn Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces. In a world constantly in motion where time never stands still, the HoverPen Traverse becomes more than just a writing instrument. It's a reminder of the continuous flow of ideas. Inspired by the universe's helical motion, its sleek, smooth design reflects the harmony of forward momentum. Crafted for the dynamic individual, the Traverse is built for those who move fast and think faster. Its ultra-light 35-gram body makes it a perfect companion for life on the go. Lighter than a pair of AirPods with their charging case. The Davoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity, allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Sometimes music sparks from movement, and with the Rukus FX handheld music mixer, motion becomes melody. Designed for intuitive control, this compact performance tool lets your hands lead the rhythm. Outfitted with a built-in speaker, a USB-C port, and a headphone jack, Rukus FX is ready for any environment, solo sessions, or live gatherings. Dive into the mixer's library of 120 customizable tracks and 80 punchy sound effects. You can build beats by selecting built-in sounds or loading your own. The Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 2nd Generation offers cutting-edge security with its dual camera setup and 2K video quality, providing an excellent solution for monitoring your home, children, pets, and valuables. The high-definition video clarity ensures you never miss a detail, and the easy setup means you can have your cameras up and running in no time. Arlo emphasizes privacy protection, giving you full control over your personal information. Break away from ordinary audio experiences with the amzn Wild Jeep, a bold fusion of design, durability, and audio performance. Inspired by the spirit of off-road vehicles, this military-styled portable Bluetooth speaker blends raw aesthetics with refined acoustics. Crafted with armored elements, a firearm-style tuning knob, and a military-grade strap, this speaker is more than gear. It's a collector-grade audio artifact. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. The Rokid Air 120. Full HD virtual screen smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with portable entertainment. Weighing only 3.5 ounces, these ultra-lightweight smart glasses offer an immersive 120-inch display experience that's perfect for gaming, movies, or productivity on the go. Designed to be compatible with a variety of devices including iPhone 16, Steam Deck, gaming consoles, PCs, and Android devices, they bring a cinematic viewing experience wherever you are. Engineered for seamless transitions, the DockBook Vertical Dock reinvents how you use your MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. With a precision-fit enclosure carved from solid machined aluminum, this vertical dock offers more than aesthetics. It's a desktop command center built for speed and efficiency. Once your MacBook Pro slides into place, the DockBook's custom internal electronics instantly redirect all connections to the rear, minimizing cable clutter. Each port supports data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second. When every second matters, on the trail, at the chute, or in the wild, reliable energy isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline. The DJI Power 1000 portable power station delivers that lifeline with precision and purpose. With its robust LFP battery rated for 4,000 cycles and a decade of service, you're equipped with more than just power. You have peace of mind backed by 26 SGS safety certifications. Power surges quickly with DJI's next-gen fast-charging tech, reaching 80% in just 50 minutes. The Cuisinart bread maker machine offers a modern solution for making fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Designed for ease of use, it features 12 pre-programmed menu options, making it simple to bake a wide range of bread types. Whether you're after a classic white loaf or a hearty whole grain, the fully automatic system takes care of the details, leaving you to enjoy the results. This bread maker accommodates loaves up to 2 pounds and provides 3 different crust shades: light, medium, and dark. The FLIR MR277 is a powerful all-in-one building inspection tool designed to enhance your workflow with its high-resolution thermal imaging, moisture detection, and advanced measurement capabilities. This system is perfect for efficiently locating and documenting issues like moisture, air leaks, and building envelope problems, making it essential for any professional involved in building inspections or maintenance. The MR277 combines multiple measuring modes, allowing you to scan large areas with its 160 by 120 thermal sensor. Take full command of your digital workspace with FlexBar, a precision tool engineered for creators, gamers, and streamers alike. Designed to adapt to your unique workflow, this Touch Bar solution brings next-level customization and efficiency to both Windows and Mac environments. Whether you're editing video, managing live streams, or gaming at full throttle, FlexBar keeps your most used commands within reach. Literally. With its compact footprint under 7 inches wide, FlexBar fits comfortably on any desk, while offering a highly responsive interface that reacts in milliseconds. Even when you're away, your pet's world doesn't have to feel empty. The Gulu Pet FaceTime camera creates a living connection between you and your pet, offering more than just a glimpse, but an experience. Equipped with a sharp 1080 PhD camera, the Gulu gives you crystal clear visuals, while its 90 Hz pet-friendly display ensures smoother motion for both dogs and cats. Built for 24/7 companionship, the device stands ready even when you're miles away. Efficiency doesn't need to be complicated. TimeFlip2 redefines time management with a physical, intuitive approach that blends tactile simplicity and smart digital features. This polygonal time tracker is more than a gadget. It's a focus-enhancing tool designed to curb distractions and bring clarity to your day. With each flip, you engage in purposeful work, making every minute intentional. Pair TimeFlip2 with its mobile or web app to log billable and non-billable hours automatically. No matter where the road, trail, or water leads, the Fantic X10 Cross stands ready to perform with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to adapt across countless inflation scenarios, this powerful inflator features Fantic's innovative dual pump system. It doesn't just handle car tires, it's perfect for kayaks, inflatable mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum storage bags. Whether you're setting up camp or prepping for the drive home, the X10 Cross is your all-in-one inflation solution. The AOX A1X stands out as a high-performance portable device engineered for seamless multitasking and immersive experiences. Powered by the AMD-HX370 chipset, it ensures rapid processing and effortless handling of demanding tasks. The device is equipped with an 8-inch native landscape display, boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate that enhances fluidity and responsiveness. Whether for gaming, media consumption, or productivity, the variable refresh rate display optimizes visuals for every type of content. With every glance through the lens, Envision reshapes what binoculars can do, bridging nature and cosmos, daylight and starlight. Designed by Unistellar, the minds behind the revolutionary smart telescopes, Envision is your field guide by day and astronomer by night. These 10 by 50 millimeter smart binoculars combine a Poro-style build with advanced augmented reality to display real-time information overlaid on the natural world. No internet required. The Aqara Motion Sensor P1 delivers a high-performance experience with exceptional functionality and future-proof design. One of its standout features is the impressive 5-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability even in extreme conditions like low temperatures or rapid detection timeouts. Offering customizable sensitivity, this sensor can adjust its detection range to 3 levels: high, medium, and low, helping minimize false alerts and providing flexibility for a variety of installations. The EcoPower TesFridge is a cutting-edge portable freezer, meticulously designed for Tesla Model Y, 3, and X. It offers an impressive 36-liter capacity, allowing ample space for storing frozen items during road trips or outdoor adventures. With its adjustable temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the TesFridge provides flexibility for preserving various types of food, beverages, and other essentials, catering to all your travel needs. When temperatures climb and shade offers no relief, a pocket-sized powerhouse makes all the difference. The Jisulife Handheld Fan Pro 1S stands out with industrial-grade engineering and a compact frame, delivering cold air faster and stronger than typical fans in its class. Inside, a 3-phase brushless motor pair with a robust 5,000 mAh battery to generate air speeds up to 9 meters per second, translating to a furious 15,000 revolutions per minute. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Wincible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Wincible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team,